Hi, this is my recording for homework 2, problem 1. First, in the evaluate function, I first pass in x, y in test data to feed forwards and get a, and then passing a to each function to calculate mean square error, cross entropy, and log likelihood, and then return them in here. And then in the SGD function, I print them out in this format. Here's the results. For 2, here is how I implement. I first in the class network, I create a global list here, and then in the evaluate function, I passing all the results, append them to the list, return them in the SGD function here. And for early stopping, here is the results here. So how I implement is for early stopping, I add it here if self-evaluate training data 1, this returns accuracy if it's larger or equal than the stop point, and then I will break. So if we have 10%, 0.6, it will stop at if the accuracy is larger than 0.6, which is epoch 6. Same for the 0.8, and here is the results at 89, which is accuracy 0.82. And for this 4-layer network, here is the results. Here everything stayed the same except change the data set. And the same for the early stop. This will take longer because it has larger data, more layers, and I will show you the 0.8 output, which stops at 125, which is accuracy 0.8. As we're waiting for the results in here, I will show how I implement the activations. In the class network, first create a global activations list here, and then for S in sizes, that's for each layer size, I create a empty NumPy array, passing each S in here. And then in the back propagation function, right here, the index 0, we set it as X, and then passing the self-activations in here and here. So we can say the results stays the same.